today I will share with you three amazing face packs, aloe vera face packs that will help you remove dark spots and acne scars, and also eliminate any blemishes or skin discoloration. So as you know, aloe vera gel, it's a magical gel, and it is packed with over 75 nutrients, minerals, vitamins, amino acids, and over 100 active enzymes that really does wonders to your skin. So when blended with other ingredients, it makes amazing face pack to reduce dark marks, acne scars, and other blemishes. So let's get started with the first face pack. So to prepare this pack, this face pack you require is neem aloe vera gel, neem leaves powder. If you don't have neem leaves powder, you can use fresh neem leaves paste. You can blend it and then take a tablespoon of this neem leaves, and you require is honey. So let's start. So mix all the ingredients. So I'll take around 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, then 1 tablespoon of this is honey, now combine all the ingredients until smooth. So once your pack is ready, what you have to do is wash your face with lukewarm water, and then apply a thick paste on your face and let it sit for about 15 minutes before you rinse with cold water. This face pack is beneficial for those suffering from pimples, acne, and it leaves your skin flawless and clear. Now to prepare the second pack, that is second aloe vera face pack, you require is a half teaspoon of turmeric, then is around 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan, and aloe vera gel and rose water. So add all the ingredients. So then add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and then rose water. Combine all the ingredients well until smooth. So now the pack is ready. So again, what you have to do is wipe your face or wash your face with lukewarm water, and then apply a thick coat of this pack. And leave for about 20 minutes, and then rinse with cold water. And this face pack contains turmeric, and turmeric has anti-aging properties and skin lightening properties that gives your skin fair and a glowing complexion. It also lightens dark spots and other skin blemishes. And now I'll show you the third face pack. This is the most simple and easiest of all, and also extremely beneficial for removing acne scars or dark spots. Just you require is cabbage juice. This is cabbage paste. That is take some grated cabbage, blend it with little water, and then take around 2 tablespoons of this cabbage paste and aloe vera gel. So mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to this cabbage paste and gently combine it well. Now once the pack is ready, wash your face with lukewarm water, and then apply the thick coat of this paste on your face and leave for about 20 minutes, and then rinse with cold water. This face pack is one of my personal favorite. I have been using this face pack for quite a long, and it has removed all my pimple marks and also the brown spots I had earlier. So use this face pack thrice in a week for best results. So these were the 3 effective aloe vera face packs to reduce acne scars, pimple marks, or skin related or any other skin related problems. So choose the one that best suits your skin type. So thanks everyone for watching this video, and for more such videos hit the subscribe button. And if you have any doubt about how to use this, what are the ingredients that I've used in this video, so you can check the description below this video. Thanks everyone, take care and bye.